Hey everyone, this is Taz. Welcome back to my channel. Recently, I built an outdoor kitchen and I love outdoor cooking in my backyard in summer. I've been on the lookout for the perfect ceramic cooktop to complement my outdoor kitchen setup, and I think I have found it. In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys an awesome kitchen gadget that has quickly become a game changer in my outdoor kitchen. So it's Karinear Electric Ceramic Cooktop with sensor touch control. So guys, let's get started. Here is the box. So first I'm gonna unbox. My first impression about this cooktop is that it looks so sleek and modern, perfect for any contemporary kitchen. It comes with the instruction manual. It's very detailed. It also has some troubleshooting methods and installation instructions if you want to embed this into the countertop. It also comes with mounting brackets and screws if you want to install this into the countertop. And here are the feet that can be screwed in on the bottom of the countertop, so we can directly place this on the countertop. Here are the brackets and screws. I wouldn't be using these as I'm not planning to embed this cooktop into the countertop. However, I'm gonna screw in the feet. There are 4 feet, so we have to screw in on the bottom of the cooktop. I already screwed in 1 feet, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Insert the screw into the feet and just screw it in on the bottom like this over here. After keeping the feet, I've placed the cooktop on the countertop. We can also keep this on the table. Now this is quite flexible. This is portable. I can keep this anywhere I want, and this is suitable for both outdoor and indoor cooking. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm using an extension cord. I cannot wait to show you guys the amazing features of this cooktop and how it performs. So I'll be whipping up a delicious dish over this cooktop, so keep watching everyone. This is a 24-inch 2-burner electric ceramic cooktop with sensor touch control. To turn this on, just press on and the LED screen will display 4 red lights. That means this is on. And to select various preset cooking modes, we have to press function. So the first press, it will select fry. Again press function, it goes to roast. So there is a small red light under the cooking modes. On the LED screen, it's actually showing the power consumption. So now I have selected stir fry. Again press function, it goes to fast heat. There are total 8 preset cooking modes and we just have to press function to select them. Another cool feature is that even though for each cooking mode there is a preset power consumption, for instance for roast it's 1200, but we can increase or decrease it by pressing on the plus minus. Honestly, in cooktops I'm not used to power indicator, so the good news is we can change to temperature. So press the function key for 3 seconds and the display will show temperature. This is in Fahrenheit. We can also change this back. Again press the function key for 3 seconds and it will change to power. So this is 1000 watts. So this is a great feature. Going through the manual, I found this. So there is a table showing the power level and temperature comparison. We can also set the timer. Select the cooking function. I've selected simmer and click on timer. So we can set the time, click on plus. I'm going to set it to 10 minutes and again click on timer for 3 seconds and the timer will be set. To cancel the timer function, just press the timer for 2 seconds and it will be cancelled. This also has the child safety lock, so keeps the curious little hands safe. Other safety features are it has overheat safety warning and overheat automatic shutdown. When the cooktop is hot, the hot surface light on the panel will be on. When the power is on, the fan rotates immediately. It's not very loud and ensures efficient cooling, so listen to the sound. If you are wondering if this cooktop is compatible with all types of cookware, the answer is yes. It's very much compatible with pots and pans made of any heat-resistant material, including iron, glass, stainless steel, copper, ceramic, and other types of cookware. However, this is not compatible with plastic material. Now it's time to demonstrate the performance of this cooktop. So I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna make one of our favorite dishes. It's going to be dragon chicken. So I've placed a ceramic saucepan over the cooktop and I've selected the function fry. It's at 1000 watts, which is equivalent to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. First, I'm gonna fry the chicken. I'm gonna add some oil. So I've taken boneless chicken and I've added some cornstarch, soy sauce, and egg to the chicken, and I let it marinate for a few minutes. So I'm gonna drop the chicken to the oil. While cooking, we can always increase or decrease the power or temperature. Right now, I've selected fry cooking mode and the power is set to 1000 watts. So the chicken has fried well. I'm going to transfer to a paper towel. So here's what I'm finding. This cooktop heats up pretty quickly and evenly. I have fried the chicken, so it's only hot inside the circle. It's not hot over here. And use a kitchen towel to wipe this area after cooking if there are any oil spills or stains. So it's easy maintenance. The smooth surface makes it easy to wipe clean after cooking, and do it right away. That way it is super clean. Next, I'm going to make a sauce for the chicken. To the oil, I've added ginger garlic. I'm going to saute till they turn golden in color, and I'll be also adding a teaspoon of dried red chili flakes. It will impart a nice heat to the sauce. Adding a can of tomato sauce and mix it well. I'll be also adding a tablespoon of soy sauce and cook this for a few minutes. Look at the vibrant red color of this sauce. It's time to add the fried chicken to the sauce. As you can see, I'm really enjoying cooking with the Karinear Electric Ceramic Cooktop. Here's how power is managed in this cooktop. When both the burners are in use, the total power is 2000 watts. So by increasing the power level of one burner will cause the other burner to decrease the power level automatically. Finally, I'm going to garnish some green onions. Here's a little tip I want to share with you guys. After cooking, if there are any food particles stuck to the cooktop and if it has turned dry, here's what I do. I use a metal scraper. So be very gentle and very gently scrape it off. It will come off, and then we can use a damp kitchen towel or a paper towel and wipe it off. My dinner is ready, so here is the delicious dragon chicken cooked over Karinear Electric Ceramic Cooktop, and I really enjoyed cooking with Karinear. Overall, Karinear Electric Ceramic Cooktop is a great addition to any kitchen, so it's very efficient, sleek, and user-friendly. This is a portable cooktop, so this is great for outdoor kitchen, or you can take it when you go for camping, or if you need an additional cooktop in your kitchen, it will also save space. If you're looking for an electric ceramic cooktop, I highly recommend this one, so give this one a try. You're gonna love it. You can buy this from KarinearAppliances.com. They offer a diverse range of cooktops including both induction and ceramic options, so take a look through their website to find the one that best suits your kitchen. I have a discount code for you guys. Use my code TAS, it's THAS, and you can save 25%. So I'll post the link to buy and the discount code in the description below. Check that out. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more kitchen gadget review videos. Until then, take care everyone, stay happy, and bye!